get ready with me for Thanksgiving dinner. So, it is Thanksgiving here in Canada. For those of you who are from the States, we celebrate Thanksgiving the second Monday in October, and I am so excited because I get to finally do all my fall makeup looks that I love doing. I've done my foundation and my brows. To start with my stick blush from Nude Sticks. This is their Nudies Matte All Over Face Blush color in the color Body Language, and I'm going to apply that before I apply my powder, because since this is a cream product, I want to use cream products first and then set them all with powder after. This is from Hilary Duff's Daydreamer collection when she did a partnership collab with the Nude Sticks about a couple years back. And this is a perfect fall color because it's copper red, almost like a brick red. And I like how Nude Sticks has these little blendable brushes on the end of it, which makes it so much easier to use. So I'm going to set my foundation first, even though I haven't even powdered my face yet, and I'm not done, but this just helps to set your makeup better. So while that spray is setting, I'm going to start on the eyes next. Next, I'm going to use the Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in the color Bright Eyes. This is also from Hilary Duff's collection, and I'm going to apply this color on my lids. This is a very taupey beige color, another beautiful fall color. And because this is a cream product, this also works very well alone as a primer for your eyes too, as long as you make sure you set it with a powder eyeshadow on top or it'll crease, and we don't want that. I'm going to go in with my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette here, and these are the beautiful colors. It's called Ultimate Utopia. I'm going to use this color here because it matches exactly the color of the shadow stick that I just used. Here's what it looks like in the light, if you can see better. Tap off the excess so we don't get any fallouts that we don't want, and that's going to go on top. Oh, that looks so beautiful already. Now I'm going to use the blending brush on the other end of this brush to blend out the edges just a little bit. You can see both of these palettes have beautiful fall colors in it. This one is called Warm Neutrals, and we're going to use this color right here, very matte milk chocolate shade. And whatever's left over on this brush, I'm going to drag down. I should have done this probably before I did my lower lash line, but now that my setting spray has dried, I'm going to powder under my and a bit on my nose as well. I think that toned down the eyeshadow under the lash line a bit. Alright, I'm going to now do my mascara. I think I'm going to skip the eyeliner today. So I just applied my mascara, and I used the Maybelline Falsies Volume Express mascara because I wanted my lashes to look a little bit full and thicker than usual. I'm going to use this shadow right here. You probably can't tell on camera. It appears to be more matte, but it has a dash of sparkle. A dash of sparkle in it. So that's going to go in my brow. I'm going to put this shimmery gold shade from this palette. Okay, that I think does it for my eyes. I'm going to use my cream blush again because many people don't know this, but you can also use this as a cheek and a lip color. I think that'll be really pretty. see how it looks. Because I was thinking of going for something a little bit dark, not too dark, but not too nude either. I like it. I never tried it as a lip color before, but it looks really nice. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna use this color from my My Melody and Kuromi Wet n Wild blush lighter palette, and this is the blush I'm gonna use on top. Yeah, there we go. Exact same color, just in a powder form. Give me a moment to put my earrings on. So, there you have it. This is my Thanksgiving makeup look, perfect for fall.